Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the serpentine belt on Mercedes C270 CDI W203. The serpentine belt on this engine is located on the front of the engine. It's located right there. To remove the belt, we need to turn the tensioner anti-clockwise and it will loosen the belt, and then we can remove the belt. That's the tensioner right there. The bolt that we're going to be turning on the tensioner is located just underneath the belt. I'll show you with my hand. It's not very clear, very visible, but it's right there, just underneath the belt. We need to turn it anti-clockwise and it will loosen the tensioner. This is the socket that I'm going to be using, size 17, 12 volt. I'm also going to use a long ratchet to have more leverage to turn the tensioner. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now I'm going to turn the tensioner anti-clockwise and it will loosen the belt and I can remove it. And that's the belt out. Now I'll show you where that bolt is on the tensioner that I needed to turn anti-clockwise. The bolt is right there, just underneath the pulley. Next I'm going to show you the belt back on, but before I show you how to put it on, I'll show you the routing of the belt. That's how it goes around all the pulleys. So when you put on the belt, you should put it around all the pulleys except one of the small pulleys, either the tensioner pulley or the parasitic pulley which is on top. You should put that last when you turn the tensioner anti-clockwise all the way. And now I'm going to start putting the belt back on. Like I said, I'm going to put it around all the pulleys, just like in the diagram that I showed. And I'm going to leave either the tensioner pulley or the parasitic pulley for last to put on when I turn the tensioner. Now I'm going to get the ratchet and turn the tensioner anti-clockwise so that I can put the belt on the last pulley. And that's how you put the belt on. Now I'll show you how I've put it around all the pulleys. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.